Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan. This is basically the stand from the fan. You can see I have the fan detached, the rod and the motor, but the stand is where the battery is and also where the charging port is. It's here at the bottom, and as you can see it requires the proprietary cable which attaches with a magnet, so it is pretty great. I think you can just attach it at the bottom. You can see it's attached, so it's great because you can just have this charger laying on the floor and have the fan put on all the time, and if you want to detach it, simply move the fan up and it will detach. So it is very good and I like it. Now once you plug that into power, the light will start lighting up or blinking. So now it is blinking. I don't know if you can see it. Now you can see it, of course. If it's blinking orange, it means that the battery is between 0 and 30%. If it's blinking white, the battery is between 30 and 100. And if it's still, if it's a still light, either orange or white, then it means it's in these percentages but not charging currently. So yeah, that's basically how it works, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.